Welcome or welcome back to Christine's Curls. In this video, I did another wash and go, and as you guys can see, the results are just simply amazing. Feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and make sure to click on that notification bell. That way you can be notified whenever I post brand new videos. And never forget, you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Enjoy.
You tell me you're in love with me, like you can take those pretty eyes away from me.
What's up, you guys? Back again with another video for this channel. In today's video, we have yet again another wash and go. And you guys, I'm here to test these products, to test these gels just for you. So you don't have to go ahead and buy it and then say to yourself, I wonder how it will work. No, I am here for that, you guys. To test out gels, test out natural hair products, natural hair tools. Come back and give my honest review. So this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do another wash and go with another amazing gel. You guys, when I saw this gel, I was like, this gel has two powerful ingredients specialized for natural hair growth, moisture. It's all good. So I was like, why not go ahead and test out this gel for you guys right here on the channel. So the gel is there you go, guys. The gel that I will be testing out today. It is from Moisture Miracle by African Pride. And those are the two ingredients that I was bragging about just a while ago. So it is rich with coconut water and also aloe vera. I am excited, you guys. Let's find out what this gel is all about. So it shapes, adds deep definition, and shines to natural coils and curls without alcohol or flaking. I love that. I love gel that does not give me flakes. No one loves flakes. This weightless moisturizing and alcohol-free blend uses the natural benefit of aloe and coconut water to define and shape coils and curls without flaking, leaving hair hydrated, frizz-free with lasting hold and shine. So I am excited, you guys. Let's open it up. But before I do, I purchased this gel for $6.25, just in case if you're wondering. So $6.25. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it is clear, very clear. Now let's do the test to see how thick it is. Okay, yes, it is thick, but not like the Echo Styler gel. As you guys can see, it is movable. It is moving, this gel. So let's do the smell test. It has a clean smell to it. It smells good. And I am definitely smelling the coconut in it. So we're gonna start. I am excited. Let me start by taking down my hair. Okay, you guys, my hair is freshly washed. This is it. My hair is getting really, really long. I feel like whenever I wash my hair, it gets longer. So this is my hair, you guys. And I'm also seeing the comments. You guys have been leaving me some comments letting me know that my hair is growing. So thank you guys so much. And yes, so I'm gonna start now. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and I sectioned my hair as always. I'm starting off with dripping hair just in case if you guys are wondering. So this is the piece I'm gonna use, and I'm also gonna use my styling brush, which is the sorry, not the Denman brush, the bounce curl brush. I almost said Denman brush. The bounce curl brush. I'm clearing out the hair. And now I'm gonna start with the gel. It smells so good. It smells like perfume, you guys. Okay, it is very light to the touch. I can tell that it is already moisturizing, very moisturizing. It is going on smooth. I'm gonna use my bounce curl brush. And I love to go back in. Okay, you guys. So this is what the gel it is looking like. It is giving me some nice curls, but I cannot tell as yet. This is just one very small piece and a lot more to go. So I'm gonna be testing it out all through my hair. And yes, but so far it is looking good. But I have to wait until the very end to give you guys my honest review. Let's continue.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader.
Okay, you guys, so I finally reached to the front of my hair, and this is what the back is looking like. So yeah, I'm so excited for the front part.
Pretty end up to the sky, and I'ma wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
You guys, I am back. I am finished. I have finished my wash and go. It took me a little more longer because I don't know if you guys noticed. I found a new technique, which is I use the bounce curl brush and then I would go over it again, seeing that the curls will be already separated. So I would go over it again and smooth it out. So I did like a two-in-one combination. I used the bounce curl brush and then I went ahead with my fingers and I shingled it out. So these are the results. I'm gonna leave my hair air dry a little because seeing that I have stuff to do around the house, I'm gonna do it. And once I finish, I'm gonna see how my hair looks. And even if I need to go ahead and diffuse it, I'll go ahead and I'll do so. But I'll be back overall once my hair is 100% dry to let you guys see the results. But so far, I am loving it. By the way, I love how my hair fell to the side. You see my invisible part? I'm loving this new method. But overall, it is looking good so far. But I'll be back once my hair is dry. Once my hair is completely dry. Okay, you guys, I decided to come outside and a better lighting for you guys to see how my curls are looking. Oh my gosh. I know I see this for every gel. I know you guys. I see this for every gel. I say, wow, it looks good, it looks shiny, it looks beautiful. But this one, this one, you guys, is just beautiful. My hair is not 100% dry as yet, but I can already tell that my wash and go will be beautiful. Look at the curls definition. Each strand, I'm not exaggerating, you guys. Each strand is just curled to perfection. Look at the back. My hair is this gel is the bomb. This gel is the bomb, the bomb, the bomb. And I believe that my curls will dry soft because this gel has the coconut oil in it, the coconut water, and also it has the aloe vera. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait, you guys, to see how it will dry. I know I'm always excited about every gel that I use, but I'm extra excited today, you guys. I'm just, whew, I'm just loving it. So I'm gonna go and do my mommy thing, do my wifey thing in the house, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how everything looks once dry. Okay, you guys, I am back again with the results. So my hair is 100% dry. Oh my god. Wow, wow, and wow. Okay, let's get into it. This is my honest review. So, I love the elongation. It made my hair long. My hair is already long, but a lot of the gels that I put in my hair, it tends to shrink my hair. But with this gel, it shows the true length. I am loving it. So this gel is definitely for you girls that get a lot of shrinkage. If you love to show the length of your hair, who don't love to show off the length of their hair? Get yourself this gel. Go ahead and try it out. As you guys can see, it shows the length. My hair, it is long. My hair is long and I am loving it. Now let's talk about the curls definition. The curls definition is definitely there. Definitely there. I love the fact that it is giving my hair body. You see the shape? And the curls are really tight and beautiful. And now let's talk about the softness. It definitely dries soft. guys. My hair is soft to the touch. So the product was not lying. All of the information on the jar, they was 100% truth because my hair dried soft. I am loving the shine that this gel gives to my hair. Look at it. You can definitely see the shine in the hair. Let me turn to the back. You see the length? Oh my gosh. This is really nice, you guys. This is nice. I know that I say this often about gels, but this gel, it is really nice. I didn't even have to fluff out my hair. I didn't even have to pick it out. It dried really nice. The volume is there. Everything. I love everything about this gel. Also, it's not leaving stickiness. Like certain gel, it does leave your hair or your neck for that matter, sticky. Everything is well dry. It is just nice. Overall, this is a really nice gel. I'm happy that I went with my instinct. When I saw the coconut water in the aloe vera, I was already sold. So I'm so happy. And the African Pride is doing its thing because I tried out the shampoo, I tried out the conditioner, and I am loving it. I have to go ahead and do a video, washing my hair, conditioning my hair in the shower, and I have to go ahead and give the review for those shampoo and conditioner. Overall, this brand, the African Pride, I am impressed. I am definitely, wow, this is just beautiful. I have nothing more to say, you guys. Overall, I'm loving it. I am loving how the link, I cannot get over the link. You can literally see that my hair is long. It is so beautiful. Okay, you guys, if you love it, to give this video a big thumbs up. For those who haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do so. Leave some comments down below. Let me know if you have already tried this gel or if you will go ahead and try it out for yourself. But overall, go and try this gel. I am not sponsored. I bought this gel with my own money. I did a review and I am loving it, you guys. So go ahead and try it out for yourself. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.
I wanna believe in everything that you say.